How to see Reels history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can see Reels history on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The issue here is quite simple. You hit the Facebook app icon, you open it up, you go to your watch section here, and then you basically happen to watch a couple of reels over here. So let's say you just happen to like the reel and then just find this. In order to find this Reels history, normally you would have to tap this little profile icon here, and then here you would find the option called history. Now when I tap on the history icon, the problem here is that it will show me the history for the videos that I've watched on Facebook from Facebook Watch, but it doesn't show me the reels that I have watched. So as you can see, where are the reels that I have watched? This is also history, but there are no reels. So in order to actually find these reels, what you can try to do is instead you can tap the three lines option here, go to settings, and then you can just go to settings over here. Once you go to settings, you can go to this option called manage post and interactions over here. So if you don't find it over here as well, you can just try to go to this option over here. After that, tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, then tap the three dots option here, go to manage post, then here you'll find filters, tap on filters, and then right over here you can see manage post filters and so on. After you've done that, you should be able to see a list of all the reels that you have watched. Now just keep in mind that from the previous option where we went, we were only able to find our Facebook watch history, and from the option that we're talking about now, you might not see all of the reels. The only type of reels that it is going to show is the type of reels that you have interacted with. So you have needed to have basically interacted with that reel, such as only if you like that reel, liked or commented on that reel would show up on your reels history, and not if you just ignored it blatantly like this. You have to have some type of activity with that reel in order to show that reel on your filters tab. So hope this video helped you clear your confusion. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.